My name is Dheeraj. I am studying 8th class in Mathman School. Today we are reading editorial page and the topic is Peers and the Sanctimonious. We'll start it. India's unusual response to the comments and the ongoing farmers' protests by the Indian international celebrities come across as highly sanctimonious, and the temptations of the sensationalist social media hashtag and comments, especially when the resorted by celebrities and other, is neither accurate or responsible, the Ministry of the External Affairs said in a statement. It advised these to the celebrities to ascertain the facts and the properly understand the issue to hand before rushing to comments a such matter. The response is somewhat supercilious in the immediate context of what the singer and the performer Rihanna has said in his Sing Street. She had asked why the issue was not being talked about more while drawing attention to a news report on uh, the extraordinary measures taken by the government to to put down the farmer protests, including the laying and the trenches and the barricades and banning the internet. Other international personages who had the venture to talk about an issue included some lawmakers from the US and the UK too, but even that did not want to the formal response from the government. If the MEA statement claims that some vided interest to the government where the mobilizing international support smacked in of the paranoia and the fact that the comments could send the Indian governments into a dizzy lead to a legend reflects to the mentality and the rising from deep security and where there is an organization within the center of informational criticism from the elsewhere. It sees that their everything as a conspiracy against itself, a design on the country unity and the stuff of the registration of the police case after Great Thumber, the teenager Swedish climate change activist shared a protest toolkit on the Twitter has added another twist to this undefined demonstration of touchiness. Many Indian celebrities from the fields of cinema and sports joined issue with the Rihanna to state their case against what they saw as external interference. Many of them professed their design to keep the country together and voiced their disapproval of the largest issue, of course, in some time the government itself has drawn attention to. What is a limit to claim that a problem in a country internal matter and something those outside its borders are not entitled to the comment upon? This is today's editorial page. Thank you.